In this video, I'll show you how to create and download an invoice in Shopify. Start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. From the dashboard, click on Orders to open your order list. Select any order from the list. Once the order page opens, click on Print, and then choose Print Order Page. Before printing, make sure the destination is set to save as PDF. After confirming this, save the file. Now let's look at the second method to create an invoice in Shopify using the Order Printer Pro app. First, go to your Shopify dashboard, then click on Apps and search for Order Printer Pro. Once you open the app, you'll see a list of all your store orders. For this example, I'll select order number 1067. Click on the order, and you'll instantly see the invoice preview generated automatically. If everything looks correct, click on Export PDF as. Enter the email address where you want to receive the invoice, then click Export PDF. The system will generate the invoice and send it directly to your email. Open the file, click Print, and make sure the destination is set to Save as PDF if you want to download it instead of printing. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Shopify and e-commerce guides. I'll see you in the next video.